Getting started with OKX using a referral code is quick and easy, and it's definitely a step you don't want to skip when creating a new account. First, use the OKX registration link in the description below this video. It will take you directly to the official OKX sign-up page and automatically apply the referral code. Open the OKX website, click Register, and follow the simple steps. Enter your email address or phone number, then create a secure password. During registration, you'll see a referral code field. Make sure the code 9742072 is applied before you continue. If it isn't filled in automatically, enter referral code 9742072 manually. Using referral code 9742072 can give you access to promotional benefits, including trading fee discounts, depending on the current OKX offer and your region. It's a simple step that can help you save on trading costs. Once your account is created, the next step is identity verification. KYC is a standard process on major crypto exchanges and helps secure your account while unlocking more features. After verification, you can make your first deposit or explore the platform. OKX offers spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, and a wide range of tools for both beginners and experienced traders. Once you're inside the platform, check the Rewards Center for available tasks and promotions. Offers can vary depending on your region. That's a quick setup, and you're ready to explore OKX. Use referral code 9742072 and the link below to get started.